Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing part 2 of my empty house tour, and we're going to be doing the second floor where the bedrooms are and the third floor, which is the attic, and there's also like a little surprise up there too. So let's head upstairs. We're going to be replacing all this carpet. I really hate it. It's so ugly. And my mom says it looks like presidential, like Oval Office carpet. But the staircase is one of my favorite things in this house. I love the curving. It's hard to go up these stairs backwards. I'm not going to. So this little room will either be a laundry room, someday a nursery, or an office. And what they used to use it for is a sewing room. So there's actually like a ironing board here, and then in the closet there's some other things that you would need for a sewing room. But I don't sew, Jason doesn't sew, so we're not using it as that. We'll probably get rid of this room too because we don't need it anymore. This is a giant cedar closet, which is in super good condition. We don't need a cedar closet. We're not gonna have bugs eating our clothes. The arches are also all upstairs and they lead to the different areas of the floor. So all the rooms are extremely, like they're huge rooms. I don't even know why you would need rooms this big. And each room has its own bathroom. All the rooms, you can walk through the bathrooms into all the other bedrooms, and that's called a Lindbergh design, I think. Is it a Lindbergh design? And they made that so if a kidnapper comes to the house, then the kids could safely get to their parents' rooms and have like a little secret passageway through the bathrooms. We're not going to be updating these bathrooms this time around. We might change the paint, but I mean, they're just basic bathrooms right now. It'd be nice to update them and make them a little bit prettier. So we're going to walk through all the bathrooms, which then will lead us to the guest room. Back in the hallway, just another guest room. All of the rooms have giant closets too, like they're pretty big. If Remy can fit in it, you know it's a big closet. Come on, bub. Here's a big linen closet. We literally have like 2 sets of sheets right now, so we're gonna have to get, oops. Uh-oh. There. It like suctions. It's probably the ghosts. This is the archway that's gonna lead into my closet. Was that cool? I pictured it like singing in the rain, you know how he like flips over the bar. Okay, so this first area has, you're real close. This first area has Jason's closets, which we're gonna fix up a little bit, but so this is his closet number 1. We'll rip out all the built-ins in here and give him like a little more up-to-date storage because these are original to the house, which means they're almost 100 years old, so they need to go. I also think the doorknobs in this house are so cute. They're just teeny tiny and they all come with a skeleton key. This closet has been updated with some shelving, but this will be Jason's other closet. And now for the bedroom. It's huge. I'm slightly overwhelmed with how big this bedroom is. I don't even know what you would do with all this space. That's why we're working with a designer, because I don't know. It's just so massive. Like, what? Do you have like another living room in here or what? All you really need is a bed in the bedroom and a TV. And we have a fireplace, which we'll update too, because it's a little grungy looking. I mean, it's in pretty good shape. It's just ugly. What? Did you laugh? We'll also update the lights in here. Don't worry. This area is where we're going to be doing all of the changes. So we're going to be ripping down all of these walls here, ripping out this closet, and then we're going to knock out all the walls. So this will all be closet. It's hard to explain like how we're doing it, but just picture all of this space empty and as a closet. Then we're going to be gutting this room as well, which is currently the bathroom. And it's just very outdated. Come on in. So as you can see, it was like, I think the last time they updated it was late 90s, and it definitely looks like it. There's a cute little patio. The door doesn't work right now. We're gonna have to get it fixed. But there's a cute little patio out here that I'd like to fix up just a little bit. They used to use it to shake rugs, so it's not like great for sitting out there, but we can make it really cute, like a little private patio. And then we're back into this area. So this is what I'm knocking out. and this will all be knocked out. This is currently a laundry room, so I'll take this out and then it'll all be closet. And this is what I really want to do. Like, come on. Both of you are making me. So I'll go like this and open up into my closet. It'll be glorious. This is the back staircase that goes all the way down into the... Can you turn around? He's sitting on the stairs down there. He's too big to turn around. Come film him. He's stuck. Poor guy. Come on. So this is the back staircase, and if you go down, you end up back in the den area. And this is actually the only way to get to the 3rd floor. So we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor. There's 3 bedrooms up here and 1 bathroom. And this is kind of where I'm gonna put all of my stuff. This will be my space. This will either be my gym or just like a guest room of some kind. And all the rooms need a little bit of updating. They're just still kind of old, just paint and light fixtures. It'll be a pretty easy fix. This room, I'm thinking, this room will be where I store, this room will be where I, come here. Come on, you're okay. Why are you scared of this? You've come up here a million times. This room will be where I keep my like extra products, clothes I need to shoot in, and it'll be where I can keep everything organized for upcoming shoots and things like that. Here's the last room up here. It'll be either my gym, depending on the space, or just a sitting room. The bathroom, we don't need to see that because it needs some updating. We didn't even know this was in the house when we had our first showing, so we were super shocked when we opened the door and saw this inside. There's literally so much potential in this area. Oh, it's hot. It is hot in there. So this whole area we didn't even know was here when we did our first showing, and we walked in, we're like, oh my gosh. So this is all gonna be my closet. I'm gonna hopefully have a 2-story closet. There's gonna be a staircase over here coming up from the area from downstairs, and I'm gonna have a studio up here so I can have like studio / office area, and it's just gonna be like a complete area for me to do my work. But it's like, it's pretty crazy up here. This ladder here is original to the house, so it's almost 100 years old, and it goes all the way up to the roof, which is flat. And it'd be really cool to put like a little patio up there because the view of downtown is really great from this area. That's it for part 2. We did the 2nd floor and 3rd floor. If you haven't seen part 1, it's where I go through our 1st floor and the basement. And I'm going to be doing so many more videos showing you guys the renovations we're going to be doing. I'm just so excited about this house. I love this house. It was actually the first house that we toured, and I fell in love with it from the moment I walked in, and I'm just very excited. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble on the screen. And thanks for watching. I talked a lot, and now I'm tongue-tied. Mwah.